Here's how you can save space when transferring old Final Cut Pro files from your SSD to your hard drive. So if you edit on Final Cut Pro, your SSD probably looks something like this, where you have a template folder and then all these are projects that you're working on. For example, this project, and within that project you have a final output folder, all the videos you used for that project, and then the library here. So let's open up Final Cut Pro from our library, and we can do something on Final Cut Pro that drastically reduces the size of the Final Cut Pro file, saving a lot of space on your hard drive. All you have to do, you have to click the library here, then you go File, then you want to go to Delete Generated Library Files. And if we look here, it's currently 12.3 gigabytes, which is quite a lot. So if we click Delete Render Files, all delete, Optimized Media and Proxy Media, it shouldn't affect playback later on if you do decide to transfer back to your SSD. But for now, let's delete everything. So now it's 12.3. If we click on something else and then click back, it becomes only 34.6, which is drastically less. So now if we just close that, and now this project's all good. So if we then just copy, or if we just drag and drop this onto our hard drive, when you drag and drop to your hard drive, you'd save so much space by doing this quick maneuver beforehand, and it shouldn't affect your file. So that's pretty much the tip for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this serves you well, and I'll see you in the next video. Share this with a mate who would benefit.